Kodwa asingaphuzi. Sesizophuma manje. Kodwa uZuluza wakavali, that's all I was saying. Unyanyiswe yini manje? Oh, unyanyiswe lokho njani? Umiss Ntontoni. Angika nyanyiso kwethu thina sithe kuthiwa nje sabe sesicapha. Wanjani? As sine pride for abantu abaqalayo ukuya. Asine pride nje hey une proud kabi wena. Chomi engathi ngilahlile icici leli. Bazongena lapha ku outfit yami vele ne. Content for today, Cindy. Udlale Chomi, udlale sound ngiyenza challenge. What must I do? TikTok.
Send banana bitch.
Oh, one no jola. Where's the other earring? It's on game and my earrings good outfit him, so I can't afford to lose.
But how was the Miss SA experience?
It was awesome. And I was with my best friend, so it was just
it was our first time.
And it was just awesome.
Did you see me zone out?
How am
I? I couldn't believe.
Utando was just there like, and me, I'm addicted to my phone, so I'm just there like, oh, okay, Chomi, yeah.
Yo.
Chomi, take videos.
Bomuzo say mina ngisengithe mina tomorrow.
Hayibo, ungalingi ungilethela umoya omubi mina ngalezi zinto zakalama jokes apha. Ngikhathele izolo ukhuluma indaba zo Biltong la namhlanje usufuna uqala kabusha Chom please abeg.
Educating tool.
Useqalile cela uthule bandla. Thule leso sigqoko osigqokile.
I educating tool. Let me talk.
Zikhipha yini kanti kwenzani? Oh.
Ufaka liphi kanti?
Buka kune stop.
See your life.
Qaba nami Nkosi abeng.
Yeah, wona bathi manje baqalile.
Bazothi.
Bona bathi.
Bathini. Biltong dry. Oh Biltong dry. I would dry Chomu dry.
Right. Ngasifaki nje lapho thina.
I would dry Chomu dry. Imali Chomu. Lengenayo lapha.
Imali out in bag.
I'm asked.
Let me see.
Ouch, I'm asked. Uzoqhubani vele namhlanje eklapeni?
Shopping zohamba ngephenti.
Shishiliza ngayo.
Awu nje.
Vele yakho abakubolekanga we.
But we invited you to Miss SA organization.
Phela we know people that know people, okay? Ningayenze ngathi manje yayibo lonto.
No after party.
Ungatatazeli siyathanda ukuphumula thina siyiqini. Asiyiqini nje siyakuthanda. Ibiqiqi lami asiyiqini nje siyakuthanda ukuphumula Nkosi yami. Cela ukuthula ebandleni. Bathi nje.
But ma'am your face since the morning.
I like one to me. It's giving Bilo yami ihamba kahle yazi bengayitshezi izohamba kahle nje.
Who the fuck is this dude? Unyoko.
Ududu unyoko msunwe njakalkuni sifuba sekhwebula.
Hey.
How?
Why is he with you, my baby? Who the fuck is that? Ow, the fucky. The fucky.
Othi ngiyeke omabeni ngoba Mother's Day. Ayibo.
Hey,
Sorry, Women's Day.
Hayi le ntombazane. Hawu.
Hawu, le ntombazane. Sorry guys, bengisi ngithi Women's Day. I'm so
Hayibo wena bayanda and fake account le.
Vele amantombazane lawa asithandayo Chomi lawo. It's definitely girls. I know it's no guys, like it's girls. Ilaba basithandayo and ngiyazi ukuthi obani, like bahleli la behleli khona badakwe ingquza zabo leza abazinikeza abafana every day. Hawu, ayiphumule yakho nje. Every day. Batong. Where's my Gucci scarf? Like, let me act rich, Chomi, let's act rich.
But I take it to make even sure.
Chomi, let's act rich. Like, Chomi, where's your Dior bag? Like, I left my thingy.
No, Chomi,
my Chanel powder.
No, I decided to take the Celine one because I didn't like that one.
Chomi, you're so dramatic. Like, you're so dramatic.
But you saw that I came with the Saint Laurent one.
Yeah, but Rolls-Royce lapha yana ubuthe ikhoma sakho sikwi Rolls-Royce leya.
Chomi, but iyangicika nje that's why ngise ngento Chomi nge-BM Chomi yabo
BM it's an everyday car, like we just drive it around.
That's why I'm saying I want to be subtle.
Because we don't drink like tap water.
That's why I said I want to be subtle.
Chomi, please be for
real.
Is
it subtle?
Whatever it is, Chomi, but what I'm trying to say is BM uyazi ukuthi siyithathe mase yothenga amanzi.
It's Chomi,
You're so boring. Like ngikutshelile uthi RR Chomi, like come
okay,
on.
just call my driver to fucking get you.
I've been calling Mike. He's not picking up. Like I've been calling Mike. Mike Chomi uyamazi ukuthi unakho ukuyithatha iBM nje avela hambe and stuff. Like Chomi, you're not being for real right now. Like I need my Chanel powder.
I've been telling you to stop fucking drinking tap water.
I need my Chanel powder in that Rolls Royce, okay?
Chomi,
please do it for me. I beg.
Chomi. What's the name of the red lip girl? It's so wow.
Angazi nami ngiyiphi we makeup artist ngiphile leya. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is my friend ufuna ngiphuze tap water and I'm not about to drink tap water.
But free vlog, Chomi.
Hayibo naledi. Hayibo go groove mina la.
How when hair being Amina, awuthanda ukubukwa, bitch. Keep vele.
I like the way you win. Utheni? Ungitshela Chomi utheni?
Awu angisho basikhuluma sishesha.
Thando Majola. Wani Thando Majola Chomi?
Ngimo.
Chomi bani uthando?
Since it's your friend's birthday today, you didn't post her. Thando Majola.
Hayi kazi ke nanokuthi amabirthday yena every day mina ngiyakhohlwa phela nginenkinga. Hey yazini Thando Majola. Jeez. Definition of that one. I don't have a Thando Majola on my follow.
Ngcono kuba uwedwa mfethu. Ayisho wena ke sala wedwa lapho khona ke. Awu so ke.
Akahambe.
Akazibuke.
Hawu. Ambobuki home alone straight. Ngoba vele uyafuna ukuba alone and stuff. Chomi. Ngathi ngahlangana outfit yami ye jean because angifuni ukuba bad namhlanje ngifuna ukuswenka nge jean namhlanje. Angikhaleli ukuba bad, like no, I don't want to be one. So anyways, Chomi, as I was telling you, so when I went for tennis
yes.
Guess who just came when I just arrived? I parked that other car of mine, the one that you don't like. I'm not even gonna say the Maybach. You hate my Maybach.
Don't say it out loud.
You fucking hate my Maybach. So I was just parking my Maybach. I didn't want to say the name because I know you don't like that car. So I was just parking. Guess who came?
Who did? That one.
Yes.
That one.
Guess who to hamba ngani?
That other car.
Mbuzo ukuthi yes uhamba ngayo but guess ukuthi uhamba nobani phakathi. Hamba nemoto wrong chum.
Lo ngamthandi.
Yes.
Ooh, dog.
I was mad, but I was sexy. Like you can't stay mad for long when you fucking sexy. Like you can't stay mad for long when you fucking as sexy. Like uyadinwa and then you're like na bayakhohlwa labo ukuthi ngubani mina and stuff. Yayibona. So it was just that. So I was just like, okay, sharp. When I got to tennis and then the coach was there and then I'm like, you know what, just get over and done with it. I need to go home and he pick up it on my way home. So please be quick. Like I need to be rich one day in my life. I need to be rich. Nginganya zinja. uNkulunkulu uyansiza nina. Uyansiza. She calls herself Miss Future. What? Tommy? She posted what? She calls herself what? She calls herself Miss Future.
Majola on Insta. She posted you on the Future. She was even there on your birthday celebration. I was in.
Ubani Miss Future, Tommy? Ubani?
Hey, Miss Future manje on.
Ngazi. Mina ngazi amagama abantu angempela lento leyo ukuthi uyibiza ngo Cindy Makhathini 1 2 3 4 5 angeke ngiyazi le.
Miss Future ubani manje on?
Miss Future. Oh shit. Oh my god, baby. Oh my god, let me post her. It's her birthday. Let me post. Yeah. This is mine. This is my babe. Birthday namhlanje. Happy birthday, babe. Thank you, whoever unkumbuzi. Happy birthday, babe. Oh, this is my babe. What the fuck? This is my babe. Like, this is my fucking babe. This is my babe.
Bathi pho manje lona novezwe so kancane la yini ngempela kwenze njani? Ngikiyeke
blocker report futhi.
Ngiyambuza ngifuna ukuzwa yena ukuthi angiphendule. Ngikiyeke ayetsho this is so fun. Ngikiyeke ngikunikeza a chance. Because ngathi na your words
at disturb.
Ngikiyeke or if awuphenduli ngiyazi ukuthi ne answer. No answer is an answer.
Sesiyazi ukuthi email indaba yakho. Sesiyazi.
Bakithi ngifuna i-answer.
Uthi ngifale ngomesi. Yebo. It's in Ndombe.
Hayi try.
It's in
try.
Ayikafuna ukuyicula.
Try.
Uyayicula eclubini wena.
Mara try ayila.
Kathi ungibasele eclubini ngithi. Kathi ungibasele eclubini uyicula ebusweni bami. Ayelo, ebusweni bami kanjani ngithi? Bufuna ukubukwa.
Izolo mesingene emotweni uthe driver yehlisa.
Ngithe ayehlisa kodwa wena wenzani eclubini ngeke athi udakwe the other day. Uyicula kanje ebusweni bami. Ngithi ngizomkhasabula ngempaba lo muntu. Ngimlahla end up kwisi DJ le edlala le ngoma naye afika
Hey.
Unginyanyisi.
Sake.
How?
Ziggy Maps, I love you too, baby.
Ama TikTok sethi azobaba Chomila e bathroom. Mase siqeda ukugqoka, manje sisheshe sigqoke manje before we go out. We're supposed to be going out at like 10:30.
So siwenza nini? So wenza ngo-10.
Right. Siphuma ngo-11.
So wenza ngo-10, siphuma ngo-10:30.
It's already at 10 o'clock.
It's 10 to 10. Only have 10 minutes to spare.
10 minutes.
Yeah. We have 10 minutes to spare.
This is my babe. This is my babe. This is my babe.
Siyabonga bathi bisibahla ungolo.
Thank you, babes. This phone has to be charged though. At least it brightness. It's me low. Hey, bekumnandi kodwa excursion. It was nice doing business.
Tando, please tell my CCZA that I love you so much. Even man CCZA. Hey! ZZA in manje oh.
You mean?
ZZA angazi oh. Chaza.
Noma ke kumina Choma kwazi. Choma skipping lezi zinto lezi zila esandleni uskippile ne?
Kade ngikhiphile nginazi isikhathi sokudlala shem.
Uthi ngiyeke masibonga uswenke.
Are you guys dating? Dating?
Awu kahle bokuchapha igolo.
Wena mara wena bariki mangwena mpho.
Mpho. Ukhanyisa lapha.
Can you say it?
Oh, never mind. Khona abantu nje first aba ungamemezi ne, ungamemezi yes.
Uzongihlebela?
Angeke ngihlebele ngizokutshengisa mase ngiyakhuluma. Kodwa wena uyajampisa wena. Choma mesikhuluma ngabantu wena Choma uyajampisa ingakomele sihlebe sizoba u2 ngoba wena awukwazi ukwenza ama code. Awukwazi ukwenza ama code. Ungakhulumi.
Okay.
Yeke.
Ngibona.
Angikuthembi. Usathi okay. So record la cha. Okay, mute actually, mute.
But let's go to Phuket, Cindy, babes wami omuhle. Uyodayisa ke manje.
No.
Yebo.
Do you have a brother called? Oh no, I don't. I can't believe my friends just comment. What?
But we can hear you most.
You can't hear me. You guys couldn't hear me. I muted. I know I'm muted. We saw that. I Choma senze ngase siyenze kanje.
Benamanga.
Yenze ngathi uyabamba. Choma yenze ngathi uyabamba. Nawe mekuthi ubatshengise.
Benamanga. Yebo. Mama.
Yeah, no. It can't be. Liars! It's Tinder. Okay, so lahlile ukuthi ngiqamba manga ngo Tinder ke. What? Tinder? Me? Us? We too fine for Tinder, baby. No, we're not hungry. Tinder is for hungry people. We're not hungry.
Who was on the quad bike or pool?
No, it wasn't a pool. It was me. It was this picture. I was showing Tando this picture. This picture. You see my finance? Yeah. I was showing Tando this. Braids. That's me with braids, honey. You see? You see?
But a driver.
Driver. You see?
Aye, sibashile lapha.
Niyazi siyazithanda izindaba. Indaba zani sibone?
Tell us how. Sibone into wrong.
Nibone into wrong, Shem. Nzoba right?
Sibonile kodwa. Kuyo noma nibonile.
You good together. We are good together. Uzomenzani uSindi? We are Ubayanda. Bani?
The person's thingy. The person's handle is Ubayanda.
Ubani Ubayanda?
He commented la.
Manje ama-earrings ngisazogqoka babes ama-pyjama lawo ngiyaphuma mina I'm going out. I am going out babes.
My dream woman. Keep on dreaming, Sibanda.
Block Aputimpo _SA block that ass.
Block or remove?
Block.
Shake that ass, bitch. I suppose I like her.
No, it's a vanilla police. What the fuck? Anyways. Jokes aside, your dress was great. Thank ya.
Keep.
Ngifuna umreporter futhi lo. Angifuni kumyena nje ngifuna umblog umreporter. Masimbeni. Are you hosting today? No. Cindy, the kids need you. Come back home. What kids now?
Those are good.
Was it custom or rental? Custom made, baby. It's still here. It's still gonna be here. Like my birthday dress also. You get it?
Like I say today. La Pumula in way.
In. What's it got to like I say today? La Hey, yazini futhi nina nemlomo yenu. Nina nemlomo yenu. Ngiyathusa. Uyangethusa sesi.
Modilia. Oh, I love her. I love Melt.
What's going on?
Almost Melt, Chum.
Yeah, guys.
Chum, you guys follow each other.
Yadlala. Banlon.
Melt, Chum. I love her.
Oh, lo Tantayo.
Oh my God.
Okay, I know.
I love her.
We profile picture. We should no Chris Brown. Is it Chris Brown?
Yes.
It's Chris Brown. Chris Breezy, baby. I-makeup nama-pyjama singisaphuma mina enina angishadile phela mina nginangane futhi ningalibele niyenze ngathi manje khona umuntu emele ngiyobabysita or mele ngibuye la endlini ngizomncelisa please abeg oh ugqoka ama-pyjama I'm being cozy okay but ngifanele uclose ngimbuza ukuthi ngize ngasikhathini futhi
Njalo ukuthi siphuma ngo 10:30.
Listen to my TikToks. Yes. We have the slides, Chomi.
Yo ujabu.fx you was right oh.
Bona ma
Chumbuka.
Uthi ngiyabuka ithombe zami mhlawumbe bangisendelile manje like yini.
Chum right.
Chomi ithombe zami nazi. Ngikusaphosteka manje Chomi sekulate ne.
Kulate manje posta
kusasa ne.
Chomi ujabu. Yena ujabu ufuna wena Chomi yo.
Ngeke mina ngeke ngi-off limits. Yabona la ma-tape la.
Jabu hle play for the other team hle na.
Bathong.
Yo bathong hle.
Bathong hle.
Awu. Jabu hle. Bareke jabu.
Majabuze baby.
Jabu easy. Yo. Was all right.
No, angibathanda bafana mina manje. Ngithanda ukubancoma bebe bahle like oh you look so good. But ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi uyangithanda ngizokutshela ukuthi ungazongixhaphela igolo.
Oh.
Son wakho.
How tall are you?
You mean how short am I, right?
10 o'clock chala ngigqoke. Ungascoach. Soqoka kana ngo12 ngiyadlala. Oh at 10 o'clock cala ngigqoke.
Uthi asigqokeni ngoba sekuyi10. Yes, if lezi thombe ifike ngo9 ngabe ngipostile chom.
Ifike ngo9.
I'm sad. Now sekumele ngiposte kusasa, now it's like expirile.
At least nyana kufike kuma like 1k subscribers nyana.
Ngathi ngi-expirile chomi ne?
What is it?
Mina ngasekuthiwa ngiyaposta manje uzobe ngathi ngi-expire.
When on the left you look like Didi's type. What's Didi's type? Cousin. Explain. 5 marks.
Kwamanzi ke. You remember how I used to hate, Chomi, you remember how I used to hate the Manzi song? I used to hate it so much. I used to hate it so much. I'm getting a challenge in Manzi because I was like, no. But then again, not Didi's type shit.
You don't understand what Didi's type is.
You have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel now, but I don't even know where to start or what to do. Right now we're about to travel. Me and my friend.
Hey, longomso lo.
Ngepete yami mina.
Now sokubona ngomso nengomso.
Mina nomngane
wami. Fan page.
Mina nomngane wami ngepete yami. Siyahamba. We're going to Maldives. We're traveling. I decided that I'm not gonna do like a birthday party or like a dinner or whatever. I'm traveling this year. I'm traveling. Didi's type. Other team.
What team? Sendlala la iphi manje sports. What team? What team?
Oh, chomi yazi ngiyakhalela kuyisula lento ebovu la emlomeni wami. Ngifake lip gloss iqinile mana ngikwazi nokukhotha umlomo.
Mag wena lokhunjani manje lo Jabu.
Unfortunately, I don't play for
the other team. I'm just asking for permission from you, Chomi, for sending his home address. Ngithumele incwadi. Lalela ke uma uthumela incwadi nami ngiyangena lapho nje nami ngiyacela. Ayithunyelwe nje mahala le ncwadi le.
Angifuna incwadi mina ngifuna imali. How about ngisende uChomi wami send account number yami ukuthi ungithumele imali incwadi zani lezo oyithumelayo ucabanga ukuthi kephi la wena.
Leyo mali yeinkomo leyayizela kuyena.
Angifuna inkomo zani engabe usenda imali angalibele ebhala ukuthi hey inkomo alisenda imali ukuthi ngiyikhiphe ngiyiphathe fresh ngibe right ngiyithe kwi-massage ngiyosamacha ngisamacha mengiqeda ngibuye ngiyidlele mase sidle sithenge noma yini sithenge noma amagwinya masifuna ukwathenga because imali yethu lento leyo ukuthi ngifuna ukosamacha lapha yana and stuff yayibo lo
unicela nobabini yes
no
would you date what
uthi yes what you
angicele mina ungangikhulumeli mina ngikhulumela mina ngiyazikhulumela mina
no zikhulumela ke uthanda imali ethanda mina vibes. How about that?
Wadlula kanjani umshado ngisesekhona mina ngiyi-option ke ngayikhipha wrong ngisona i-option ngikhona mina
ushilo wathi uyohlala u-B ngoba kusakhona u-A nje uyohlala u-B
Phume wrong
uyohlala u-B
hayi phume wrong futhi phume wrong Ivume wrong nje.
Mlume Poppy. Asigqoke njomo ayikho lento yolibele sihleka la ngomiwe mina.
How lo mbuzo lo would you date a white guy awunyawuthanda?
No, I wouldn't. Because I like my South African men. Like I love my South African men. Like I love me. Inkinga bayahlupha but ngiyathanda my South African men and ngizohlale ngiyekela bona ukuthi bangihluphe and stuff. It's fine. I got this.
It's not like una choice and stuff. Ukuthi unohambe uye komanye ama tribe.
Ngilibe ngikhuluma nesingisi another thing.
Awu. Nje.
Another thing. Okay, ngiyaqoka manje.
Hey. Nango zosibuza iqhelo. Yebo. Nina vele impictures zingqondo nina man type ni type anithini manje
uthi
hayi Chomi ngana some people whenever they type umuntu atype athi ayibone i-right lento le ayitypeayo ukuthi ne i-right ukuthi ifike kwilokhu njana yomunye umuntu fuck off
as long as angathiwa ngumzali wami mina
And I sibathuka bona baba.
Siyabathuka abazali babo ne.
Ma.
Siyabathuka kuphose kwena msunu wanyoko.
Oh. Nje la.
Wanyoko.
Khona la left.
Ungajoyina indaba yegqebe.
Ulevel la left.
Wena ngcu, angijoyina indaba yengcu.
Jumi.
Angijoyina indaba yengcu wena.
Fusek.
Lord.
Siyabo.
So groove off.
Jumi le top ngifuna ukuyigqoka Jumi. Izongipintsha.
I wish you could forget Leah fit here Friday because like Leah Thursday because baby got deserve on Thursday.
Oh, Jumi.
Well, baby deserve but like it wasn't that deep.
Jumi uzogqoka something else. Angiyiphethanga futhi.
No, I'm not saying wear it, but I'm saying I wish ukuthi
Oh, bungabe ngize nayo ne.
like fit, yeah.
Oh. Aningiphatha boJomi awu.
Angeke uyasinda. Ngiyadlala. Ngiyadlala. Ungamnaka. Lo takwethu. Ngiyadlala. Udlaliswa ngani ngathi wena? Cha no. Ngiyadlala. Haw.
Hawe munu. Awu.
Sanda kusiza ukuhleka because njengoba sithi soyithenga siyithenganga.
In there. Ini mama.
I can't say on the live.
Jomi, mina ngifuna ukukhumula la. Ngithi
Do you want me?
So ngifuna ukukhumula la. I need something to wipe my shoes la. Angazenze njani?
Unamanga.
Like la.
Ngona kutshela umi South Africa usufuna kutrende wena. Amayiqhinga.
Mina yabona ngiyagqoka manje ne. Mangiqeda ukugqoka ngagqoki. Ha.
Hey Lizer, what's good? What's good?
Jomi mswekise mimi.
Money not malobolo.
Athini?
Dlala ngeqephu ni pori. Dlala ngeqephu.
Awu nje ukudla kwabafana guys.
Ubani makeup artist. I will tag her when I post my pictures. I have my pictures, but now it's too late to post. And I look so damn fine. Like, ooh, child. No. Ngizobo screw chama ngathi amacica aformal.
Yeah.
I just thought about it. I just imagined myself actually.
Uyacabanga nje ngisengithi ngiyakhumula lapho ngingagqoka ngiphenti. But how?
Mina Chomi ngokushayela izandla bandla ayi.
Ingampiza.
Ngokushayela izandla dol. Sindina kuJabu. Uthini uMajabuza
Hey uJabu bakithi.
Ubethini Chomi?
Angazi bani ngizwile bekhuluma bethina uJabu lesiJabu that.
Uthini uMajabisa?
Jabangisi.
Jabroro, Jabriza.
Jabusto.
Are you going? Yes, siyogroove sengiyaphuza utshwala futhi mina futhi ozongijaji okwakhe lokho. Okwakhe lokho kusalayo nina nidiniwe wokuqala futhi nidinwe ukuthi anikho happy ngoba South Africa and angingeni bendaba yenu. Yo, khona okunye kudinile Jomi singakhulumi ngakho ngiyacela singasakhuluma ngakho abantu ku live.
Boko.
Ngihlebele ungayenze ungamemezi ke ayichomi wena ngisakuthemba uyamemeza
Ngeke ngimemeze.
Ozatshele
Oh, basagodima shame. basazodinwa hayi wathi ugqoka ipaint yakho
Lo ave
because ngizodansa
okay, dance unika amasend.
ngizodansa namhlanje mangidansa ngifaka ipaint hawo ngeke kuzovela ifororo mos hawo
Nay outfit yam for today mean. Tada. Let me dress up. Let me get dressed. Maybe I should just wear a bra and a panty like this. Let me try it out. And then maybe if I don't like it, I could just add this crop top. Yeah. Let me just try this. But now it's not the same white. What is a bon? Umnyame moloko. Umnyame ne?
umnyama
Umnyame ne?
umnyama ngifozabo zenyangisa lecathulela angazi bengenzani la
Zibuhlungu?
hayi la bengenzani la
Hawujaba ngicela umshado nje. Kumnyama moloko. Gotta wear this and this and all this. I like you with your round ass. Mnyama ne? Ngiyavuma nalokho ukuthi hayibo Sindi kaJabu, hayibo Jabu ngeke indaba ngathi bayashadisa manje. Ngicela ungayicimi live. You trying to see some coochie or what? Relax. Suqedile ukuzogqoka.
yabona mina ngisheshile
Yaw, kusho wena. Othi ngifonela uKels eqala. Kuzobe sekubhora ukuposta kusasa but it's fine so thini ke. Kuzobe sekubhora ukuposta kusasa but it's fine so thini ke. Kuzongibhora ukuposta kusasa. Kuzongibhora like for real. It be like that. Siyangazi mase ngisho awufake ikepisi ngithi faka izazi.
ngifake izazi ngifake ikepisi awu kanti yini Nkosi yami
Hayibo ngeke phela ukuthi ungafika uwenze ikhathi efresh mase ufaka icap like imat ngeke imethe oh. Please. Thank you.
but stand up jo bafuna ubona ibody yakho athi
Bafuna?
bafuna ubona ibody yakho man
Hayibo ngeke oh kanti advertise yini?
so now a contester for Miss SA
I am not on the market honey. Mina kwi-market bathi bengifaka nje bengibuyisa ngibe ngiphuma. Ngiyaphuthuma nje ngiyaphuthuma ke le nale. Bathi bengibuyisa nje kube siqhubeka nempilo. Fast. You look cute to me.
thank you mama
Kodwa mina uthwethe Jomi because abafana bazoyitsho ukuthi uyi-bless alarm yeah. Yeah.
that's why ngifake ipaint ona because mabe ngafaka ngepaint kuzovela umsinsila lana mos
Uyi-bless alarm.
Hawu.
Angiyifundi into yakho yazi yokuvalela ama-engeli mina yazini. Hawu.
awu Juma ngikuvalela ama-engeli
So
mfana
abafana kumele uzothweka ukuthi babone ukuthi bayithatha nje sithandana ibhadi.
ngiyabonga mbali yeah no neck piece angwathanda
Ilona laphayana ku-paper bag khona lapho ku-paper bag. You tell me what's in the paper bag. Anything else? Just that. Okay, in my bag. Okay. Throw it.
utsho uyaziva shem it's end of the night hey guys kunzima kubi
Please call Carlos. I forgot to call. Ish. Yeah, charge on the phone level.
yeah charge
Okay. Because we're not taking that
It's even on 90.
Okay, that's good. Me good.
Iside bag. Iside bag yamjum.
Kade usuyishiya lapho kubabani. Iy'thombe zakho. Soposta kusasa nawe next.
Siyaposta kusasa mfana. Yeah. Bese ngithi.
Izazi.
We started precision mfana.
Imani, i-drip, Charlie. Liphi iphenti
Drip check
Elisha.
mfana. Elisha. Drip check mfana.
Choma sekhe isibuke emva kwakhe siziveze izingubo zami Jesu.
Lutho kanjani mama? Nazo awe. Yabo. Chom angathi akusimina lo kade ekhuluma la. Ngize ngibe umfana mfana. Tweka.
Tweka man, shita.
Thank you.
I can't believe I'm about to try this style of wearing baggy jeans and panties.
Chom ngidla chicken yakho.
Okay.
Again.
In the microwave. Great.
Ngiyiqede. Nama bafana mabengidla ngithi nene ngangiqedi. Because ukhona umunye ozayo.
Usho njalo?
Ngiyadlala obviously ngimtshela ngithi le yakho yonke baby.
Angamaga futhi.
Hawu. Lapho ngifisa ukuthi yidla i10 yakho ekungibuza into eziningi. Hawu.
You love me.
Lava bethanda ukubuza ke.
In front of phambi kwabantu. Do you love me? I don't love you. I'm just horny, babe. I do not love you. I am very much horny.
Ngiyabonga guysini. You look like the less. Ay. Qim.
Why? It's not like he's ugly and stuff.
But Qima.
He's also yellow bone though. You're not yellow.
What do you mean also?
It's wrong. Show me.
I want you Thando from Ayabonga. But Ayabonga manje.
Ayabonga.
Ngiyabonga. Stop the lorry.
So mina sayingibhaleli nje nama-look lawa ama-baggy chumi lawa amaphenti nekid neyilona chumi angathi ayingifanele lento mina.
Akufanele mfana.
Ngathi ayingifanele.
It looks good. It really does. Ngaphethi lakho Elisha.
Brain you macekeceke.
Akufanele mfana. Akufanele.
Ifanele ama-bed.
It looks good. It looks good. Lovely. It looks good, ma'am.
I don't know.
Why? What don't you know?
I don't know. Maybe I should just wear that blue two-piece. Do I look good?
You look good.
Try it with the...
Brilliant.
With the bra? No. Okay, I could try with the bra though. You think it's gonna look nice?
It should.
Let's try it. Let's have it. But this is nice because, I don't know, just to be sexy and be out there also. Maybe the bra will work. Maybe I feel like I'm too dressed. That's why I don't feel good. I don't know. Because I like being naked. Like, it's nice. Ayabonga.
That's the whole point. What is Belizina?
Yes, duh, hello. The only time I behave is when I'm drunk and stuff. Rather than that, where men get you baby oil again, you go call it drama, Belamas of poor and Jerry Pashi. But it's eating too.
hayi wena udoctor hamba uyomazela le kude le hayi ungazomazela la
It's eating, but I have one problem I'm going to tell you off live. But it is nice. It is eating for... PTA is quite busy today after the Miss Essay. No. Too revealing. I don't like it. And ngiyawazi lo bra uyazi wena ngisho wena nje
amanipple level.
Yeah. Ngiyawazi. No. No thank you.
Faka le crop top.
Which one?
Le lokunjani befakile manje.
Osenqoke njengazonke lezi nganzala igoli igqoka kanje veli. La igoli abafuni kuba amabhedi. Bathi bayabizwa endaweni kuthiwa bavele bagqoke mfethu ama-Dolce & Gabbana, ama-jean. Ama-installation ngekhululeka nje kubenze lutho.
Was it out?
Ngibiza ngebeleni.
Oh, sorry.
Ngizongenzela ke kanje. Ugqokisa kanje. Yo, izothinta. Ayabonga. Ngizokhumbula nje. Yafa ikubulo. Mawungekhethu sekwami. Ayabonga, 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 ayabonga. Yafa ikubulo. Mawunge. It's y'all's nose for me. No. First, yeah. We here.
Choma uthi ngidla chicken.
Iphi inyama phela ungayiqedi ngitshela ukuthi ungayiqedi.
Hawu, ngiqeda ngiyaqala ukuyiqala. Umuntu akutshela ukuthi ungayiqedi inyama ungakayiqali nokuyiqala.
Awuyifudumezi kanti.
Njani?
Okay. Do you, boo?
Ish. Oh, shemagayazi.
It's not that akayazi uzenza slim so remove.
Elebe ngikuthanda kanjani wena Jabu?
Too bad akambanga kahle. Okay, also I have, what else do I have? Ngifaka la. Yafa ikubulo. Sekuyangiphoqa ukwenza i-tattoo la. Ufihla la maskara. Oh my God. Legit ngisazoyithela Chomi. Ingibambe ingihage ingithi.
Niyaphi sayobabona. Thini? Phekwa.
Uqeda i-rice lami usuqeda inyama yami manje.
Lo complain uthengile ngisho.
Kodwa ngisho ukuthi qeda.
Ayi ngiqedela uthenga i-chicken bese ngakhuluma nge-rice.
Kodwa ungaqeda nge-chicken.
Angiqedi uthi last piece. Thatha i-chicken yakho. Siyakhama ngokukhama.
Ingoba uyidla ibanda. Ngizomisa Kodwa isosi yakho is Tangy tomato is nicer than this.
Can I do some payments just for your pocket? Oh, I'm gonna send you your account number then.
Twin, where have you been? Nobody.
Oh, bukisa ngami lezo.
Washo waqeda ngami guys.
Hawu. Uzeyikhumula ngingawala.
Asamsoshuthe ezansi Jomi. Ngithola baba. Kodwa mengazi kuthiwa siyoshutha manje. Sishuthe ngale phone lenkulu because asihambi nayo.
Ne?
Lena.
Ngithola
one. So shutha ngayo ilighting yasezansi is dope for night pictures. Sishuthe masikubi content ezohlala nje ilinde nje those rainy days.
Okay. Keep asleep there, man.
It's not a sleep, Sisi. It's not. It's part of the gene. So shut the fuck up.
Mari, so cute.
No, it's nice. I'm not gonna remove it. What the fuck? It's not your gene. Sorry, if it's not good for you, it's cute for me, honey. It's not your gene. It's part of the gene, and I'm not gonna remove it.
Oh, no, these days, ne?
Oh, you know when?
And I'm so far in family fast.
I just want to sleep less. I'm going to sleep when I'm there.
Gigs really too again.
Make understand. I was like machine now. Abaleke la machine. Kona la machine la abizayo. Kona manya awe Amiri. There's Amiri jeans with these. There's what am I for mine? I forgot the other brand. For the time.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm not gonna say this because it's gonna make you angry. Should I say it? It's not me. I'm telling. I'm just talking about someone you don't like. Or we both don't like.
No, come on, Ella.
I'm sorry.
Lord.
Isuse, he's right. No, angifuni nje. Ngizopha indaba yegoyo. Ake ngisuse cabanga, ngeke ngizwe ngani. Oh, my meat is so nice.
Azingilami lapha. Mara ngidlile. Hi, bese ngidlala kamini.
Ngiyaqelema. I'm not removing this. I was saying, ambani notshela umabeni ukuthi basuse izibongo zobaba benu kuba kubona obaba benu.
Ngikhona lapha. Ngitshela manje ngikubonye. Ngikhona lapha.
Ambani niyeke ijini yami nihambe niyosusa ini yeah. You heard me. I know you heard me.
But when he slaps you, is it still women abuse? No.
Yes, it's
It's
GPV.
women. Don't misgender me.
GPV is GPV. Batong.
And but akudliwa na kule show. And lapho sishiyo ukudla kuningi.
Uba not like you.
Uyabuza ugela ukuthi ne sabuya sadla manje.
Angeke. Umtshengisa video. Oh, ikule phone. It was a whole buffet, but sidlile, but it's just to try nje biyamophana. Yes, a cotton on.
But ushabanisa lesi sleep Boris.
Uthini?
Ushabanisa lesi sleep Boris.
For sex zinja, akusona sleep less zinja.
Are you a woman? It is born. It wasn't beaten to Chinese. Now, I good them. Wasn't beaten to Chinese. Show me the way bengidla cute kakhona lapha eMiss SH ngeke ngathi ngijwayele ukudla ama-wings awu-2
mina ngubuza usuthi ngempela
lokhu nje ngidlanga into
Bonile uSamusi?
Hayi angithandi.
Mina ngiyathanda yo. Inkinga yami ukuthi bengisuthi. Oh, Ruba ngithathele ama-glass awu-2 I downed the first one. I downed the second one. Oh, 3. And the other one when you got to me, the one that she gave me, after she mixed le yakho le
Nectar ne brood. Oh.
Bese kwesithathu. Okay. Angikhaleli ukubona abafana ngathi ngathatha abafana Chomi ngibathathe ngibabeke le ngibatshela okay wazongithengela utshwala mase uyahamba la because asikho isidingo sakho sokuthi ube lana and stuff yo cha no mase ebeyahamba phethe cha iphethe yabona nje futhi phethe hayi kuningi ngigqoka imthando I don't think I'm gonna wear this outfit.
Yo nawe hle awuye kukuforce ukukhuluma kuma live angahlangana nawe. Hey.
Manje. Sifaka amahili ngibona. Ngiphathe lamahili awodwa ke. Womiwe. What? How? Angisayikhumbuli ilona. Ish my
buzo indoda yami. Hawu ngizwile nje. Bizofika la.
Bathong. Give. Yo, Chomi, I wish you had boobs.
For what?
For why are you riding a man and then your boobs are just on his face like.
I'm going to cute lap. There's nothing cute lap.
Bathong. Wow, love it.
Finally, 2-piece casbon.
Why?
Because you're just not feeling this and you just with them.
No. It's 2 pieces of what ngilona. Ngifake izongenza ibedi. Angikhali ubibedi ngoma period yami. Twin. Where have you been? I was supposed to take you manje field. Nobody loves you like I do. Let it go. No. 'Cause you were me.
Like decide, man.
Let's find a look over. Today was awesome. Wear sneakers? No. I'm a heel girl.
nesikhathi ngamphuthumela on.
You were made for me. You were made for me. Yeah. Every time I try. Yo, if these two outfits don't work out, I'm fucked. I'm fucking fucked. Actually, I don't have to wear this. Honestly speaking.
What? This?
The baddie look. Yeah, like I don't feel like being a baddie.
Then wear what you're comfortable with, kid.
Because now this, like, it's too bad. It's too me. Like, it's what I'm always looking like. And
that's why I said I
don't feel like look. I don't feel like looking like how I always look.
Then wear this outfit, kid.
Great, thank you, Chomi, for supporting me. It's either I could wear this. I bought this also. This closes everything. I wear me. She sees to get.
But I like the crop top.
The crop top. Mm. This is a bodysuit.
I like the crop top.
Like bodysuit.
I like the crop top.
Asambenge. Bangangihlalisi phansi kwama-couch ke, angithanda ukuhlala phansi kwama-couch. Kodwa kumele ungikade ke menigqoke la nto ke.
Ngizogada khululeka. Ikephi ilokhonjani Android yami?
Awusuthi uphathe Android manje ngoba nakho uphathe iPhone. Chavedelela shame. Uthi ngithi ngenze hairstyle enjena manje, ngenze iphondo manje kanje. Yeah. Think bye, got it too, yeah, that's more Ciara, right? Yes, I look like Ciara. Great. I just need a good husband like Ciara's husband. That's it, honey. Not a future. No.
Go.
Your friend's hairstyle, it's not about him, it's about me, honey. Whether he likes it or you like it or who doesn't like it, it's none of your bitch's business. It's my business.
What did he say?
It's your reaction to my hairstyle.
What reaction when I
hairstyle. Whether you like it or you don't like it or I like it or whoever. If I like it, Jalo, sorry. It's none of anyone's business. Sorry.
But you are more than Ciara. Yeah.
But I don't have a good husband. So I'm not. Asambe so shoes at chum.
Asambe ma'am.
Like I'm dead as
yeah, asambe ma'am. Nam gash.
So shoes must have so big form. Okay, asambe nge. Chombe so bese siyifuna lezi ithombe sesibaba la because ngikutshela vision e serious like I lighting lapha ezansi intwembu.
Asambe ke mfana.
Yini manje? Dude.
Come here. Come to daddy, come to papa. Ooh, angabangi.
Kanjani manje?
Ushem.
Njani? Ngoba nami Nkosi, come to daddy.
Kukanyiwa. Ushem.
Ngoba nami Yehova.
Ushem. Kabanga. Oh, wait.
Usuyibheki Chomi.
Awe ma.
Hayibo, uyenza uthando abe ephokha.
Ngeke she.
Sesithi
Cabanga.
mawungena nje kuthiwa ma uhamba nalesifebe namhlanje.
Awu.
Kodwa uzosithengela
Oh,
sithini.
yeah,
Yamazi
Jim.
uzosithengela. Chomo ungalenzi nje lelo phutha. Awumisi out nje kubeni nje yilabo.
Oh, kunganethi ingquza oh.
Awumisi out nje bakhohlakele bayabazonda amantombazane. Either way nabo bayimeshi vele.
Awu.
Sambeni.
Sanoma.
Mdani.
Sishele phone le. Samba nale. Osamba nazo zothu.
No, siyoshutha ngalena masiyayibuyisa lena.
Ngisho ukuthi do you need it for downstairs this one?
No, we don't.
That's what I was asking. So thi ngishiye la isa charger ke. Bese sihamba no girl. Level up.
Umfasa ke so. Oh, we had so much fun today. Yeah.
It's fine.
Don't open a remember we landed. Yeah, le.
On the last mbobo.
Last one though. Yo, zizo babi ithombe zejomo. Uyimise lezo. Zizo baba. Hey, angisagovozile ke nami.
What's to cover the?
Uvula imilenze ngathi uyasantuza nje uyasantuza. Seka nje wena ulazi lelo ka. Ulazi kodwa so Zulu. Yeah. So shoot a manch. So phuma ngo11 shoot 11 12 go 1 so hlala 3 hours lapha yana. So ngo 1 siya lapha emzini yabantu. Hayi bo kuyavalwa ngo2.
Kephi?
Elona.
Morocco.
No.
Oh.
Elona lapha soqala khona. Sishomile sambe ke. Asambe so shoot ke thathi le phone. Isakhona ibed enda le life le.
Guys, some sobabona.
It was nice doing business and stuff. What's in Kobe? Iruch. Ooh, Beyonce. Shakira. Beyonce. Shakira. Oh, that's right.
So, Mr. Right van.
Aibo. Gege.
Shoot, mele shoot
Gege. Oh, gege. Khona lesi sibuku lesi sikanje lapha ezantsi. Focus.
Ngifuna siqala ngale bese masifika lapha sithi do better or something.
No, ezantsi sobuye sesenza ama corrections lami ukuthi akwenzeka ngezantsi. Chomi focus.
Book.
Hayibo wena kumanzi lo. Ukhanyelwe nje phela. Iphela rute boba. Shakira.
Ma.
Beyonce. That's right. Emhlabeni kaJehova sekuhanjwe.
Ecabanga sengiyithemba lomunye umuntu.
Wow. We, angicabangi mina ngifuna ukucabanga wethu. Why you over to you get God, my dear? I don't even want to think about it. I'm good. Like Chomi says it.
Yes, baby.
Smash. There's no fucking way because smash. Wow. Wow. What the heck?
Bethi Jolani. Kanjani manje? Sifuna into eyodwa. Hayibo.
I don't want to fold it up at the back. No. Ngiyazi ukuthi bayenza kanjani, but I don't want to do it like that. Ngenze ngamasibom kanje, this is enough.
Mama ke nobaba ke kanjani manje?
What do you mean, bitch? Are you homosexual?
I'm a homosexual.
Are you homosexual?
Yes. Yeah, and I'd be like this. Yes.
Oh, yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Oh, my God. Tell us the truth. If usek msunwe manze juicy yogurt. Futhi yogurt imnandi juicy yeast le. Enjani chomi? Yeast ezinja. Yeast ezinja umkhopolo le ehlala idliwa lapha ezinja ezu10 at once.
Bitch. Choma sambe ke manje ke ethi end life guys. Let's love and leave ya.
Okay, wait, let me just do my lips and then we'll see.
Take it with you. Basho Cindy.
Mina futhi.
Kushakhona.
Ngeke ngiyobheka abafana namhlanje ngiseNgiland ngisephethe 8 talk nabafana abarise ephethe 8 kodwa kuthiwa bayigebengu ke but ngiyathanda ama dangerous games mina, like I love playing dangerous games, like that's my shit, yeah. I love bad boys, like oh my God, I fucking love bad boys. Those are my people.
Angisayifile kanje mfana.
What? Yabona ukuthi ubhala amasimba futhi awu. Ubhala into engayenzi sense. Fake it and never be. Yabona ukuthi ngibhala isingisi esingayenzi sense.
No, to fake it and never be, you mean you can fake it but you'll never be it.
Fake what?
Angas?
But it doesn't make sense. Why would they say that? So it doesn't make sense. Like usebenzisa sentence elenza sense endaweni wrong. So take it back, bitch. Chomi, ngiyazidinga mina lezi thombe bandla.
Asambe ke mfana. Bye guys. We love ya. See you next time.
Angeke kube khona next time. Bye salabo. Next time uzoba next year ngo-August. Next year ngalezi ikhazi. Ngiyadla ngizobe ngimithi mina.
Hawu.